Good morning, friends. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something that artists use a lot in their paintings to create illusion of depth. There's lots of things that artists use to help create the illusion of depth, but especially in landscapes, we talk about things being in the foreground, the middle ground, and the background. And this is a pretty well-known painting by Vincent van Gogh that you kids, a lot of you know. It's a very fun painting with lots of movement in it, and that's what we usually look at it, is the movement, like in the wind. But today we're going to look at it and take a peek at what's in the foreground, what's closest to us. It would be this tree, right? That's the closest to us, though that's in the foreground. It looks bigger. And the midground would be this lovely little village, and it looks like an orchard of trees. This is in the middle ground. Sometimes they call it the midground, but it's the middle ground. Things look a little bit farther away and smaller. And then we talk about the background. This would be the background. It's really far away. And so that's in the background. And sometimes the background is smaller. In this one, it's bigger. If I had more examples, I would show you. And today we have a little project that's going to be fun for just showing you foreground, middle ground, and background. So it's also, again, using a little piece of paper for a fun activity. This here is a house, and in the front here is my foreground, and it's the gate. And I'm going to open it up. There's my middle ground, my house, and my background is the sky and the clouds and some trees in the background. So I'm going to open my gate. There's my house, and then open the house, and there's my backyard. I thought that was just kind of fun. So this is, you can do something like this. It's a great way just to experiment and have fun with, or you can use it in one of your things that you're learning, one of your units that you're learning. So if you're learning about Egypt or something, maybe you can do like a camel with a pyramid and the sunny desert sky in the background. So I'm going to show you how to take a piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in thirds. And if this is tricky for you, you can ask a parent to help you, but I really would love for you to try it on your own first. It often takes us many tries to get things, get it the way we want it. So let's say, what am I going to draw today? I'm going to, let's just sketch out maybe. Let's see if you can tell what I'm about to sketch out. Maybe you're having, let's do a light reflection there from the sun. And then, so let's say that looks like a spaceship, doesn't it? So now this part, again, can be tricky, but I want you to try your best. And honestly, smaller scissors might work better in this case. I want you to try your hardest. I know sometimes cutting can be difficult, but try your best. Okay, so there's our foreground. I have a little spaceship. What should be in our background? How about a planet? How about we have a really cool planet? Should it be kind of swirly, like a big storm with some stripes? And we'll color the sky. Okay. we go. Whoops. And then we'll do some stars in the background, and then I'll color it up. Some can be bigger. Some can be smaller. But that is a great beginning to our foreground, our middle ground, and our background. And that'll be fun to color up. And so here's an example of my other one. I'll show you again. And you can have a lot of fun with these. You can color the backside if you want. I used colored pencils because I didn't want them to bleed onto the paper behind me, onto the paper behind. And another thing you want to do, I often, when I color, I put a paper behind because I don't want all these color marks to get on my table. And I'm sure your mom or dad doesn't want you to get your color marks on their table either. So always protect your table. And these are my colored pencils. I love them. Prismacolor. There's a lot of colors in there. These are the ones I use for my students. So that's those. And I use them along with my students. So have a great day today. And I'm going to do my best to make some more of these for you guys, okay?